Hi everyone and welcome back. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you would have seen me posted a teaser of this recipe. It's my new recipe for a Barfi coffee creamer, and I'd just like to shout out Nasha in this video. Thank you so much for the inspiration for this recipe. So let's start with our recipe. I already put in my half and half, my heavy cream, elaichi goes in, and ginger. You want to use fresh ginger and not powdered ginger, as you want that really authentic Barfi taste. Next we're going to go in with powdered milk, and if you have any dairy cream or media cream or table cream left over from when you're making Barfi, you can also add it to this. If you don't, it's not an unnecessary ingredient in this recipe. Now I'm sweetening with some condensed milk. If you want, you could omit the condensed milk if you're diabetic, and you just simply give that a mix and allow it to sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour, after which you'll go ahead and strain it and then you can use it. Now this can stay up to 1 week in your refrigerator, but I promise you it's going to be so yummy that it will be done in no time. So straining takes out the ginger pieces after they've sat in that milk and flavored the milk really well, and then all you have to do is add it to your coffee. Add as much or as little as you want. When you're making this creamer, taste it. If you want more elaichi, add more. If you want more condensed milk, add more. Whatever flavors you want more of, just add it to the creamer and personalize it to your preference. I like finishing with some whipped cream, and of course it's Barfi coffee creamer, so you have to finish with some sprinkles. And that's it. Simply enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Again, thank you Nasha for the inspiration for this. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.